My name is Laney Hawes, and the paper that I submitted here was a paper called Transparency in City Government, or Transparency at the City Government Level. I was a master's student at Brigham Young University, and this article was part of my master's thesis as well. And what we did is we took the three-dimensional model for government, or for transparency, that had been established previously, and we wanted to see if we could do a quantitative measure of it. And so we put it into survey format, and we sent it to the city communicators, the public information officers for the 601 biggest cities in America. And we heard back from 41% of them who completed the survey, which was exciting. And we found that we were able to, in fact, quantitatively use the survey, or use the model. And we found that we wanted to find out which of the three parts of the model best predicted for transparency in governments. And we found that the best predictor of transparency was organizational support. The second greatest predictor of transparency is provision of resources. The third greatest predictor was the third part of the model, which was communication practices. And we found that valuing transparency was actually a constant. And so valuing transparency doesn't actually affect transparency within governments and within their communications practices, because pretty much everybody values transparency, and so that's not the most important part. And we also discovered that that the model, if you obey the tenets of the model, then you will be a more transparent government. We did bivariate regression analysis and determined that our R-squared value was 0.49, so there is a significant positive relationship. That's what we discovered.